set control points on grid A.
Hard hats, eyes, and spotters.
Prism on station, read it.
Clay at 6 feet, log it.
Tag it BH03, depth 12.
Keep spoils inside the liner. Stay off the marked utilities. Cut 2 inches, then recheck.
Moisture's good, roll it now.
Cone line tight. Protect the taper.
Cap corners marked, lock them.
String line matches design, proceed.
Proof roll this pad before forms. Elevation good, ready for piling.
Confirm shaft diameter, 6 feet. Swinging spoil, stand clear.
Depth meets spec. Start cage.
Slow down, guide the cage.
Slump 6, acceptable, continue.
Out verified, start form work.
Forms plumb, ready for pour call.
Vibe the corners, don't overwork.
Tops within quarter inch.
Barricade it, keep traffic out.
Cage lift at 1400, be ready.
Hold, check alignment on dowels.
Plumb is good.
Lock the braces.
Tie off before stepping up. Pier lift 1 accepted, next lift tomorrow.
Panel to Pier P18 on my signal. Green tags only, no exceptions.
Duck centered, tie them off tight. Strip soffit first, then sidewalls.
Brakes hit target. Prep girder seats.
To swing!
Two inches north, ease it over.
Keeper plates on, release slowly.
Joint clean. Edge form set, start bottom mat. Uppers aligned, don't shift them. Tag it green, then open access.
We go something down. Forefront steady, watch the wind.
Keep it wet, no traffic on slab. Elongation matches. Lock off now.
Anchors at every 20 meters, verify. Profile clean, keep speed steady.
Patch here, feather the edges.
Hi.
Drain board continuous, no gaps.
Watch the embeds, keep them plumb. Keep the line tight, no bow.
Where's your battle position?
Torque to spec, mark the bolts. Silt fence tied in, good.
Braid is on, set the next stick. Label that box, ramp NE.
Pull rope free, ready to cable. Vacuum on, control the dust.
Seam overlap confirmed, move on.
Ground it slightly, drain to ditch.
Panel seated, grout the joint.
Torque marked, move to next splice.
Don't stop, hold until lane's clear. Easy. Clearance verified, open the lane. Gorge Chevrolet, we start at station 12.
Torque pattern complete, sign it off.
Barrier transition meets spec.
As built within tolerance, note it.
End treatment aligned, tight and final. Seal that joint, continuous bead.
Clear debris, open for final drive.
Release the closure.
All clear. Clear.
Is smooth, no hesitation.
Top level is live, good work. Video is stable, latency normal. Wall line approved, close it out.
Last sign out, site is clear.
Stack levels look clean, traffic's flowing.
Lights online, photocell working.
Coating uniform, close the finish.
All levels operating normally. Good closeout. Travel safe.
Looks good at night. Done.
Finalized.
Corridor clean. Handover complete.
Delta Stack is live.
All levels open. Project complete.